Next we will see, in the last class we have seen the different types of folders, right? Like text files, image files, music files, video files, whatever files, that file extensions, right? So today's class we'll see, you can refer this table. In this table they have given all the types of files and the file extension and what is that descriptions they have given. Okay, first is text file. What are all text files will be there, file extensions will be there for the text files. .txt, .doc, .rtf. Okay, RTF means rich text files. Okay, DOC means document, TXT means text. Means .txt means it is a text file format. It will be like in the form of a text file more format. The format, the text will be like a less, like one or two pages will be there. That we call it as an .txt files. Means notepad, wordpad they'll be using. No, for that we will be using .txt files. Next, .doc. It is a Microsoft Word file format. Means if you are using the Microsoft Word file format, in that we will be saving like a .doc. The documents will be very high. Next, .rtf. This file format can be used for all the word processor. Means this file, it is a new file format. It can be used for all the word processors format. It can be used. Next is image files. In the image files, .pdf, .gif and .jpg and .jpeg. These files formats are used for the images. These files are used for the images. One images contains .pdf, another image will be like .gif. .gif means it's like graphics part, only the editing part. JPG and JPG, it depends upon that the image size and the resolutions part. Okay, next we will see the music files. There are some music files here, .wav and .wave and .mp3 and .wma. These file formats are used for the audio files. It will be like different audio. If you are recording it, you will make some changes in the phones for the recording parts and you will be doing the recording, right? Same way, so many different types of music files will be there. One formats will be there, means file extensions will be there. Next, video files, .mov, .avi, .3gp and .mpeg, PEG. Means the movie files will be like .movie, animated movies will be like .ave. Different types of video files will be, that we call it as in this, and our file extensions will be there. Means these files formats are used for the audio files. Have you got now? Next we will see the Windows Explorer. Means it's like a file management tool. Here they have given one activity. It's like a take the students to an office and show them a file cabinet. The structure of the Windows Explorer is similar to a file cabinet with the floors inside the filling the drawers they have given. Suppose if you are going to the library, it's like a all the one subject books will be to the one side and another subject books will be to the other side. It's like a stories to one, stories is related, one rack will be the full of stories. It's like a small kid to the higher kids, that like that. Same way in the Windows Explorer, some tools, means some folders will, like even this is one cabinet, this is one cabinet, they are dividing, no, like that we will in the Windows Explorer also it will be divided. See here, Windows Explorer gives a tree view of the files and the folders. Means here they have given the computer, this is the computer part. Under that there will be a file division. One we call it as an local disk, one we call it local disk C drive, we call it as a local disk C drive, or C drive also we can call local disk D or D drive, local disk E or E drive, local disk F or F drive, or DVD or RW drive or G drive. This drive is used whenever if you are inserted the CD or a DVDs, then only. In this local disk we will be using like a Windows Explorer represent the files and the folders in this way. Means any software if you are installing, we will be using the local disk. And D drive and E drive and F drive, if you are saving any files you can save. In the C drive also you can save, but the memory will be full. so that they will be using the D drive, E drive and F drive. For the C drive installation, some software installation, they will be using it. Have you got children now? Thank you.